Assalamualaikum, I am Sania Aftab Makka and today I am going to review on A Kite Runner. It is the book of Khalid Hosseini and it is the second book which I am reading of the author. So the book was the plot of the book was written in Afghanistan, Kabul. It is the story of two friends, Amir, who is very rich, Pashtun, and his father is well known, and Amir, who is Khazara, means servant of Amir's father. So the Hassan and Amir shares a great bond because they were grown up and brought up in the same house, and they both were the friendship of both were very good. The book was the book which made me super emotional, and I was like, from the first part of book I was totally attached, and I was like, Khalid Hosseini knows what the audience want and how audience will live this story. At some point you will feel that it is not story of Amir or Hassan, it is story of Khalid Hosseini himself. This is the Kite Runner. The title of the book is totally suitable with the story because Amir flies kites, and whenever someone cuts his kite, Hassan ran and catch the kite. So whenever Amir asked Hassan that why you do me, why do you do that things for me? So the answer of the Amir is only that for you. So whenever Amir asked Hassan, Hassan replies that for you 1,000 times over again. So that line, the 1,000 times over again, shows the bond between the two friends. But after some time, there is a circumstance when, as Hassan was a servant, some boys were bullying him, and Amir was just seeing him. He was not doing something. He was very afraid and frightened person. So he did anything to help Hassan out of that. But that is the thing where Amir feels that he is guilty and he is in very guilt, and Hassan is a very innocent person who finds Amir as a great friend. So Hassan didn't did anything and didn't even discuss that thing with Amir again. But that burden was on Amir's head that why didn't I help Hassan? So as the story is in Kabul, Afghanistan, of course there was the war, and Amir shifts to America along with his father, and Hassan was in Kabul. And you know, life is never planned, and we don't know what is will be the next day of our life. So after some time, Amir got some things or something happened in Amir's life, so that Amir decided to go back to Kabul. And when he shifted to Kabul, he saw that Kabul is totally changed. This is not that place where he was living and where he had played with his friends. The Kabul is totally changed, and there is very poverty here. At that point, I start thinking that this is not story of Amir, this is story of Khalid Hosseini. But when the end comes and the story was moving, I was not able to describe the feelings which I was having. It was like the book, there are some books which stays with you for many times, and I think this is one of the books which will stay with me for a long time. It just showed me that you can how the Amir was in the guild and Hassan didn't even said a word to him, and that Hassan, I felt the character of Hassan and I felt very sorry for him. And at the end of the book, I started crying, and I was like, Khalid Hosseini always writes emotional book. Either it is Thousand Splendid Sun or A Kite Runner. I have read both books, and both books were above my comprehension. Even I didn't expect that these books will be like this. I heard a lot that Kite Runner is one of the best books and the debut book of the author. But it didn't seem. It seems that the author is very professional and has wrote many books. It seems that the description, how he has described every word, every feeling, it is like you yourself is seeing in front of your eyes that what's going on, and it will make you curious what will happen to Hassan, how they meet, will they meet at the end, where is Hassan, when Amir will move to Kabul. So these are the questions which will raise in your mind, and it will make you curious that I have to done this book. It is not a small book, of course. It is a thick book, but the way he has writes the book, you will never feel that you have read that much book pages. I will recommend this book to everyone because the book was very nice and very emotional. It didn't only make me cry on that day, but after a week I was thinking about the same story, and I was like, why not the second part of this book? It was above my comprehension. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, do subscribe and tap the bell icon and share with your friends. And if you want the other book reviews, check in the description and watch other videos as well.